Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Three may keep a secret if two of them are dead. They who can give up essential liberty to obtain a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. Tell me and I forgot. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. He that can have patience can have what he will. You may delay, but time will not. A penny saved is a penny earned. Many people die at 25 and aren't buried until they are 75. In wine there is a wisdom. In beer there is a freedom. In water there is a bacteria. Never ruin an apology with an excuse. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid. Justice will not be served until those who are unaffected are as outraged as those who are. Fear not death, for the sooner we die, the longer we shall be mortal. I didn't fail the test, I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Those who would give up essential liberty to purchase a little temporary safety deserves neither liberty nor safety. Beer is a proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy. How many observe Christ's birthday? How few his precepts? Being ignorant is not so much a shame as being unwilling to learn. Hide not your talents, they for use were made. What's a sundial in the shade? Well done is better than well said. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. It is the first responsibility of every citizen to question authority. Three may keep a secret if two of them are dead. Lost time is never found again. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. If all printers were determined not to print anything till they were sure it would offend nobody, there would be very little printed. I am for doing good to the poor, but I think the best way of doing good to the poor is not making them easy in poverty, but leading or driving them out of it. I observed that the more public provision were made for the poor, the less they provided for themselves and of course become poorer. And on the contrary, the less was done for them, the more they did for themselves and become richer. The Constitution only guarantees the American people the right to pursue happiness. You have to catch it yourself. Be at war with your vices, at peace with your neighbor, and let every new year find you a better man.